The ocean never sleeps. Neither do the risks your vessels face. But traditional CCTV only records. It doesn't alert us when something goes wrong. Introducing Smart Ship Hub's Camera AI. AI-powered cameras across every critical zone in the ship, each one analyzing, learning, detecting threats the moment they appear. In one case, camera AI detected an oily rag on the main engine and alerted both ship and shore teams, preventing a fire on board and saving up to $200,000 in repair costs. From thermal imaging, leakage detection, piracy warnings, and even safety and monitoring violations, camera AI watches, detects, and flags issues before they become problems and costs. With one unified dashboard, you can get complete visibility into your vessel and fleet data from across the globe. Fewer incidents, zero downtime, lower insurance premiums, better compliance. With Smart Ship Hub's Camera AI,